Genius not. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Manyama, and if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button down there and the bell button somewhere next to it so that you get notified each and every time I post a video. Right, today's business. So I've decided to do a beginners 101 series where I will show you guys the basics on how to do specific things, like your eyebrows, genius not, foundation, how to contour, highlighting, blending. Guys, disclaimer, I am not a professional, so what I'm showing you is the skills or techniques that I've used and improved over the years. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Today's video is brows. I'm gonna be showing you guys 3 different ways to achieve fleek eyebrows. Step number 1, shape your brows. If they're shaped, girl, wait till the second step. If you want to flick your brows on bushy ass eyebrows, like, what you doing? No, you gotta make sure that your brows are shaped. They are tweezed, waxed. I don't know what you do, but make sure that it's the shape that you wanted and make sure that you like it. Now, in my case, I let my eyebrows grow. My skin is breaking out, guys. It's almost that time of the month. Anyway, TMI. I'm gonna show you guys how I shave my brows. I shave it. I use a blade. Can you all see this? This is like my second option. It's not what I do all the time. Okay. Obviously, you would need a spoolie. Raggedy ass things coming off of it. I'm brushing them upwards so that I can be able to see how I want to shape them. Well, I kind of already know, but for the sake of the video. Please. Take my blade. Ow. I cut myself. I'm happy. Okay, this will do. So the first way of doing a brow is using a brow shadow. This, what I have here, is the Essence Brow something. Well, it came off, and guys, my thingamabob here is raggedy. It fell, and then like the things are all over the place, so don't judge. This is what I have. And we'll need an angle brush, concealer, and a concealer brush or any flat brush. Well, I have 2 options here, so I'm gonna go back and forth. You don't have to use this, but I find that it helps. Let's get started with the first way of doing your brow. You want to outline the brow with light strokes. I might not use light strokes, but for beginners, please use light strokes. Okay. Now with this brow powder shadow thing, it gives off a more natural brow, so to speak. So yeah. Then you want to use your finger. As a beginner, it's best to use your finger because you've not mastered the technique of using a brush or a beauty blender. Now that you're done concealing or outlining your brows and blending in the concealer, and you're still not satisfied, like I'm not satisfied with this one over here, well, with both of them you can just go back in and do touch-ups, not major changes. It's got to be sharpened, please. how I do my brows 3 different ways. They are not perfect, they are not twins, they are sisters, obviously. We all get that. I hope you can be able to apply one of the techniques, but my suggestion would be the eyebrow pencil, which is the one that works perfectly for beginners. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.